Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to fix Fall Guys failed to log in, then this is the right video for you. First, search and open Windows Defender Firewall on your computer. Then, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now, click on Change Settings. Then, click on Allow another app. From here, click on Browse. Now find the folder where Fall Guys game is installed. From there, select Easy Anti-Cheat Launcher and then Add. After that, select Fall Guys Client Game and click on Add. Following the same steps, add Fall Guys Client and after that, add EOS Bootstrapper. Then click on OK. Now close Defender Firewall. After that, search and open Command Prompt on your computer. Run as administrator. Now type in the following commands: ipconfig /flush DNS. Then press enter. After that, type in ipconfig /renew. Then press enter again. Now type in netsh winsock reset. Then press enter. Now close Command Prompt and then search and open View Network Status on your computer. From here, click on your Wi-Fi name. Now go to Properties. From here, choose Internet Protocol version 4. Then go to Properties. From here, select Use the following DNS server addresses and then put 8888 on preferred DNS server and put 8844 on alternate DNS server. Then click on OK. Now close everything up and it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.